So I'm just prepping some French cut string beans right now. Next, I'll be reaching in the refrigerator to grab a head of a head of cabbage. And I'm gonna prep that for my OMAD meal today. I'll be breaking my fast in a couple of hours, so just doing the prep work right now. It's gonna be string beans again with cabbage when I prep that up, onions and broccoli. So I'm gonna try to put it all down in one meal. If I can't, it's gonna be a two meal a day. This is how I lost the 20 pounds that I've lost over the last 3 weeks. I went down from 255 to 235. That's 255 pounds to 235 in 3 weeks. Cabbage. So with me, I like to fold the layers back just to make sure there's no bugs inside of it. A lot of people don't do this, but I'd rather do it, be on the safe side, because I did find a couple of bugs in the one I did yesterday. Hope y'all doing good out there. Hope y'all keeping it healthy, staying away from processed foods. So I'm just fold back just a few of the top layers instead of the whole thing, because if there's bugs nesting inside of it, it'll most likely be in the top few layers and not the bottom layers. Now get something to wash it off with. So this is how I'm actually beating my insulin resistance and decreasing fat mass. Keto is the way to go. That is if you want to be carb sensitive and not insulin resistant. So right now, my fast is about 18-hour fast and then a 6-hour eating window. And it's either going to be, again, either OMAD or 2MAD, depending on how stuffed I am or how much food I can get down. My goal is to make it where my last meal is at before 6 p.m. and I don't break my fast until after 10 a.m. I'm sorry, break my fast after 12 p.m. So from noon to 6 p.m. is my eating window, and from 6 p.m. to all the way back around 12 p.m. is my fasting window, 18 hours. So I'm gonna cut this up, dice it up, and then wash it as well. I like to sort through mine though, get rid of anything that looks funny, looks odd. Black and brown spots, black spots, insects, things like that. I guess I should have my microphone on so y'all can hear me better. I just set it off to the side, just get it out the way. Set it inside this skillet. So again, I lost 20 pounds, went from 255 pounds to 235 pounds in 3 weeks. So this is one thing I'm doing by having this meal here a few days, the same meal for a few days. And also I'm drinking bitter melon mixed with water, fresh squeezed lemon juice, and what else is there? Sometimes I blend a cucumber up inside of it. Broccoli time. Yep, get the broccoli all cut up. I like the stem of the broccoli too. If I just slice it, or it's thinner, like that. I like to inspect the broccoli, just to make sure there's no bugs or rocks or dirt inside of it. Try to keep a little prep area clean. Man, I've been away from the YouTube world for a while. That's in regards to recording videos on Bout Fitness channel. But I would like to get back to it on a consistent basis and go and get this channel monetized. So y'all, do your boy a favor, hit that subscribe button, like this video. All right, let's get the onions. So this is the feet onions I cut up yesterday, or sliced up yesterday. And this is medium size onion here. So this is about 1.5 medium onion. This will give it that good old flavor. So about that, y'all have to jump out of footage for a few seconds to plug my phone up. It almost died on me, went down to 5%. So again, now I'm just slicing the onion up, get it prepped. I prefer it in slices and not to be diced. That way it'll give me something to grab on my fork. All right, so just the onions now prepped up. To get the area cleaned up. All right, so this is my prep work. My prep work is finished. String beans, cabbage, bunch of onions here. Anyway, so I have also chicken thighs that I pre-seasoned last night, and I'm gonna cook those too to go along with this meal. So again, that'll be string beans, cabbage, broccoli, onions, and chicken thighs. That's all sauteed inside of coconut oil, salt, pepper, and that's it.